Follow these steps to remove credit card from TikTok account. Launch your TikTok app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the profile page. For that, click on the profile icon given at the bottom right corner. Once you're in the profile page, click on three bars given at the top right corner. Different options will appear. Head over to the option balance. Now click on the option live rewards. You'll be directed to the withdraw page. If you have added payment method, at the top you're gonna find the option of payment method, and at the right corner of it you'll find the option of manage. Clicking on that, you'll be able to remove it. You'll find the option of delete. Click on that. With that, your payment details will be updated. Your credit card details will be removed from your TikTok account. So this way you are able to remove credit card from TikTok account. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.